Carbolite Gero, a name that is synonymous with the design and manufacture of high-quality furnaces and ovens with temperatures up to 3000 degrees Celsius. Carbolite Gero products are developed with more than 80 years of experience and used around the world in research, pilot plants and production environments. The knowledge, skills and experience of both our UK and German engineers make us a global leader in high-temperature technology. Thanks to our versatility, we have established ourselves in numerous major high-tech industries. A good example is our extensive experience with aerospace customers who follow the stringent requirements of NADCAP standards and who rely on the quality of our products. Carbolite Gero furnaces and ovens also enable companies to create products that improve our quality of life and make things easier. With this, Carbolite Gero is indirectly involved with things that affect our lives every day. Carbolite Gero is a market leader in the construction of bespoke and special furnaces with a focus on applications that require a vacuum, an inert gas or a reactive atmosphere. Whatever your requirements, Carbolite Gero's range of laboratory and industrial ovens and furnaces is designed to exceed your expectations. We listen carefully to the needs of our customers. With individual product consultations, tailor-made concepts and solutions, we are proud to have a growing customer base in over 100 countries. Unlike other manufacturers, we produce almost all of the components in-house. This ensures every part meets the high-quality standards our customers expect. Our program of continuous improvement and investment in employee training ensures we stay at the forefront of our industry. Without high-temperature furnace solutions, many modern production techniques, such as additive manufacturing and metal or ceramic injection molding, would not be possible. Through our global sales network, we partner customers wherever they are. We aim to be ever present, providing ongoing support and advice through a variety of channels. Carbolite Gero, from 30 to 3000 degrees Celsius.